National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a flash flood warning for central Berry County in southwestern Missouri until 1 a.m. Sunday. At 5:11 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Flat Creek Basin. Between 0.5 and 1 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly, particularly along Flat Creek near Highway C and Highway U. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Casto, Butterfield, McDowell and Jenkins. This includes the following low water crossings: Route U, 8 miles east of Purdy, and Route C just south of McDowell. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.